Hello all and welcome back to the channel. We're looking now again in the post market at BBAI stock, which today is up by 0.92%. Now this might not sound like a lot, but we actually finished, or started the day I should say, on a red. We were down to the 572 range. Now we are breaking back past $6 and you're seeing a total gain today from the lows to the highs, or the lows to the highs were even higher of 7%, but all the way from the lows till the end of 4.7% up. Very impressive to say the least. The past 5 days here up by 27%. I think this is a very significant move to the upside given the circumstances and the context of where this stock is right now, and it could set the stage for more positivity to come. We'll be speaking about this and more in today's video. If it does sound good, as always guys, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, but do remember this is not financial advice. You can also click the first link in the comment section and the description if you want to learn more about the stocks that I am looking at and get some behind the scenes content with extra resources in it. Again, I do thoroughly recommend that if you're interested. But let's jump in. Again, it's not financial advice, it's just my opinion. So what stands out to me today is that we're seeing the stock hit and really still struggle at key levels. 611 is really what I'm talking about here. 610, 611 is a level that we're just struggling to get past. You're seeing this here right now, you're seeing this historically as well. We're seeing this here, we're seeing this where we are now, and we're also seeing this here as well. We need to push past 610 for the next leg up. Now history has shown us that if we do have the ability and when we can push past this, we are potentially on for much higher levels. Every time that we've done this in the past, we've seen the stock push maybe to 7, we've seen it push to maybe 770, 7, or even the high 7s, or even into 8. So if we can break past this, you're in a very interesting point. Now what stands out to me with this stock, unlike many others, despite the fact that we are up a lot in the past 5 days, as I say, when you come over here up nearly 30%, this still does signal on the charts as being quite oversold. You can see we are not necessarily into the oversold range yet, but we're definitely way closer to it than we are to being overbought on this stock. Another thing which perhaps we should be paying attention to, given the circumstances of how things are right now. So yeah, we need to push past that. If we can do that, we're looking to 630s or even into high 7s from there. Anything can happen from here, but it very much depends on whether we can beat this level. Now if we cannot break this level, I think that we have a long way potentially down. You could be looking to retest levels such as 490, you could be looking to retest levels such as 470. This is kind of a make or break point here, and as the stock is still at the oversold range, I think the potential to see it run a bit more into the next day or so is not impossible. Really though, for anything major to happen here, we're going to need to break above 610. This is such a basic but key level to push past. If we can push 610 into 620, 630, 650, then you're in a very different market, a very different situation with the stock. But we're having a lot of difficulty just getting past that right now. I find it quite interesting that this one is still towards the oversold range. I think if we're looking at indicators like the RSI, we do still have a lot of room to run, but you know, we're going to need to see a break into the 620s. A 620 break could arguably confirm this trend change, but I think we realistically are kind of there right now anyway, right? We're definitely well into this run. The question is, does it end here, or do we see more upwards momentum from here? I'd like to hope that more can come. I am ultimately bullish from this situation, but this level of 610 is important to note as a very difficult one. However, I think today showed a lot of strength here. I think it was a good sign for the stock. We're breaking past levels that we just haven't seen in the last few days. So if we see another day like this tomorrow, or another even slightly more bullish day, you could be looking to push into completely new territories, which would change my sentiment on things to the more bullish side a lot more again. So we'll reassess tomorrow, we'll have a look at how things play out. I don't think the situation here is bad at all, I think it's actually quite good, but we'll need to see more of this momentum and a push past these key levels. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Before we do finish the video though, I'd like to share some more information on the Patreon resources, so I hope you do enjoy this extra element. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks. But do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment, guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from 1450 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.